What's up, this is me, and it is Easy Girls Challenge, and today I'm gonna be doing an organic thing with brooms. And I did this before, so I know the brooms. And I broke my leg before, just sealed up. Because when I was 3 years old, I fell and I broke my leg. That's all it is. And yeah. So today I'm going to be making a bracelet. So, I don't put in my crayon book. Yeah, I know. It's so weird. Yeah. I started this when I was only 2. Yeah. I'm gonna play my Plato today. This. Smell it, guys. Smell. Smell good, right? Yeah. I know. Smell it. Doesn't it smell? Wait, guys. Hold on. Mommy! Someone's calling you and someone's knocking on the door. Actually, no, someone's knocking on the door. So guys, right now. Doing it. Hey, I'm doing it. Hey, I'm doing it. Guys, this looks like, feels like slime. Look. It's slime. But it's not stretchy enough. It actually is fatal. Mom, the door. I don't know.
Y'all need to stop knocking on my fucking door like y'all the police. What? Ah, boo-boo. Give me my hug. Give me my hug.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Hi, Cherish.
Where you been? School?
Hey!
How's school?
Doggy.
School good?
Myers.
All right, forget me, right? It's all about the dog.
That hair looks bad.
Hazel. What's that?
It's a big bite. It's a big
Oh.
bite. Yo, you need to start fucking knocking like you the police.
How did you be waiting back? I was calling from the window.
Look, you recording?
Oh, yeah.
Shit out.
And this bitch. And this bitch.
Come, Myers. And that's slow ass.
Hi, boo.
Come on, Myers. Where you going? Where you going? Back outside. Shirley coming in?
No, I think she wants to go outside right now.
Oh, she said don't throw them away. And then they
I know,
say
she
she right head ass.
Might put it fucking crazy.
Okay.
Who?
Let's get right back to the video.
Where's
Shaniqua?
I wasn't
Yeah, because in order to know about her, I gotta ask you.
Yeah, I know it.
What happened there? Who? What lady?
Bobby's
Oh, God. Guys,
The lady-
my
lady-
figure stop! And you're so cool.
I'm glad to know she got to give me something.
This is like a face mask. Like, look, I
Watch
can
it.
put it right here. What, Daddy? Oh, like, look. I can make it flat. I know, guys, it's sticking to my hair too much. Like, I'm gonna make it flat. Like some people do with their slime. Like this, right? I'll put it on my nose like it's concealer. Wait. Oh my God. My fist has been turned orange. Ah! I know, seriously, I'm just gonna do something. Because I'm over this stupid Plato. Daddy! I love you. He's miserable. My baby tired. My baby tired. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. 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 Stay there. Give me daddy. I'm just put my hand. Can I do it on the other side? But I still put my hands back up like this. Okay, Daddy, what's our camera? What's the vlog camera, Daddy? Mush in your hands. You cutting the water? Oh, you know, come on. Okay, guys. We're about to do a video, my doggy. Hey, baby. Come on, yay. Okay, come on. Come on. Dad, I'm gonna show you a trick that my dog did. Oh God, no! Come on, okay guys. I'm gonna show you a trick that my dog did. That was so hilarious. No, it was a trick that I taught her. She taught me. Look. Sit down, man. Oh no. You guys, you don't know what to do it. Oh no. Get off the couch. Get off the couch. You don't get off the couch. What is it?
Oh no. Guys, so literally the tip of what looks like a knife or a dagger has like broken through the top.
For a long time now, YouTubers have been uploading a ton of unboxing videos. But these innocent unboxing videos took a creepy and disturbing turn thanks to the dark web. The dark web is a place full of things
See you guys
that are worse
later.
than nightmare. And I kid you not. It's literally full of disturbing things, and
I'm
I
loving
recommend
it.
that you
Bye.
never venture